While our economic health is seeing a lot of highs and lows right now, gas prices are only going up.
And so many of us wondering how long this will last. ABC 15 data analyst Garrett Archer taking us inside the numbers on what's driving these sky-high prices and what may be still ahead.
Forecasting gasoline prices is a tricky business. There are so many variables to consider when talking about the price of gas, but some are more important than others. The price of crude oil always tops this list, and today even more so. The U.S. Energy Information Agency reports that the cost of oil is making up about 60% of the cost that we pay for a gallon of regular gasoline. And this is typically the case. Oil and gasoline prices do move in tandem, but as you can see from this gap here between the lines, since 2014, gas prices are relatively higher when compared to oil prices. Since the March of 2020, both oil and gas prices have increased dramatically, and so far spot prices for oil are not coming down. And based upon these recent trends, oil will need to drop to about $80 and stay there if we are going to get back to under $4 a gallon in Arizona. The Russian invasion of Ukraine really is what began the volatility in these prices, but U.S. oil supply from the pandemic and a strong U.S. dollar combined with OPEC countries being slow to ramp up production is not helping either. But one factor might come into play that will put downward pressure on these prices, and that's demand. The EIA now says that the 4-week average of gas demand in 2022 is now under where it was the same time last year. So can we forecast where gas prices will be next year? Sort of. The EIA does predict that oil prices will remain high, but should not continue the dramatic rise we've seen for the past 2 years. So the good news, if you can call it that, is that while gas prices are expected to remain high into 2023, quickly surging prices may be at an end. And because of the drop in demand, we may even see a little break in the prices coming up. With a look inside the numbers, I'm Garrett Archer, ABC 15, Arizona.
And you can also find the most up-to-date gas prices in the valley, plus where to find the cheapest gas near you on our website. Just go to abc15.com/gas prices.